The disclaimer, we do have a disclaimer, like every TV serial we have. We do have a disclaimer. I'll just read it out. Well, it's a play directed by Sharan Murali and Devashish Mahapatro. Here goes the storyline for you. Now, before we start, like all legal things, here is the disclaimer for all of you to carefully listen to. All characters portrayed in the skit are entirely fictitious. Any resemblance to person living, dead, working, resigned, or reincarnated is purely coincidental. The skit is about a person called Subhash who works in the IT industry. He drinks the IT way, eats the IT way, and sleeps the IT way. In his day-to-day activity at home and at office, it's just the IT way. It is also rumored that before he got married, he had a clause that he wanted the girl to be certified IT professional. The couple is so driven by the IT style that their son, Bablu, much demise to the demise of the principals, writes that my mother tongue is Java. So let's begin the skit. After a long winding day at office, Subhash is returning home. Let's see how it's going on their home. As usual, Subhash is trying to open the door by swiping his access card at the door bell. Thank you.
Oh God, I just forgot. I was swiping this card to enter the door. This is calling bell. Sweet, I'm home.
Welcome home. But Subhash, why do you call me sweet? You can simply call me sweetheart, na?
Arey, sweetheart, 8 GB का नाम है. Who's going to remember all this, yaar? Ignore it.
Leave it. Tell me, how was your day?
My day? Well, that's a good question. Well, on a scale of 1 to 5, I would rate it somewhere between, 1.5.
So that means it was better than yesterday when you rated it 0.5?
Yeah, yesterday, there was a client meeting actually. That's why I rated it 0.5. By the way, where is our project? I don't see him around. Where is he?
What are you talking about?
Arey, our project, yaar, our collaborative team effort.
Subhash, for God's sake, he is not Macintosh, he is Santosh. He is not making an Apple product, he is our product. He went outside for a team building activity, he'll be back soon. Come to Mama.
Santosh underscore Bablu. Stop it. Do you know what is the SL now?
Mama, who is this uncle, Mama?
I mean framework, on the framework.
See, this is what happens due to your late night on-site calls. Beta, he's your developer. He's your dad.
I thought that you were another antivirus attacking me.
That's okay. I'm the source code, okay? I'm the source code. Fine, let's have a one-on-one now. Tell me the performance review of your studies.
Actually, Papa, I'm first in class. I have completed all the e-learnings and classroom sessions with outstanding performance, Papa.
Very good, beta. Very good. Remember, you heard that?
Yes.
No wonder you come from a family of legendary IT professionals. You know who your grandfather was? He was the industry's greatest ethical hacker.
He was a thief, Subhash.
Rima, let's not talk about thieves and my grandfather, okay?
Okay.
You know what, Bablu, your grandmom, she was the industry's biggest engagement manager.
She was a certified marriage broker, Subhash, if you forgot.
Rima, no, let's not go to this class, okay? Bablu, how is your final exams going on? How did you write it?
Actually, Papa, I have written it so clearly. You know, Papa, all my friends are thinking that they are very smart. They have written their exam in Hindi language, English language, Tamil language, but I am your son, na, Papa.
Okay.
I have written all the exams in Java language, Papa.
Shabash! Java language. Oh God, now I know which first rank you're talking. First from the last. I'm sure about it. Anyway, leave all this. I want to talk something serious about with you, okay?
Okay, Papa.
I heard that nowadays you're collaborating too much with our neighbor, Mr. Krishnamurthy's daughter. What's that girl's name?
Are you talking about Pinky?
Okay, Pinky, Puri, Kriti, I just don't care. I'm telling you seriously. I'll give you a pink slip and terminate you from this house.
No, Papa, nothing like that. This is just a team spirit, Papa. Team bonding.
Fine. Okay, leave this. Well, what is the status of the e-learnings that I have assigned to you?
I have completed all the e-learnings, Papa. I told you. Now, why are you asking the same questions again and again?
Okay, fine.
Okay, Papa, I have a doubt Papa.
Okay.
We have so many e-learnings, huh? Code of business conduct, code of business ethics. Why do we do that, Papa? Because we do not have any e-learning regarding general knowledge, no, Papa. That should be also there, no, Papa.
What general knowledge? You know what? In IT, you don't need general knowledge, beta. Nothing called general knowledge. All you should know is some languages like Java, C++, Ruby, Python, and yeah, most important, English language.
Okay.
Either you should talk it or you should manage that you know it. That's it.
Yeah, beta, that's why perhaps your father thinks that Hrithik Roshan is the Central Home Minister of India and the national animal of China is Kung Fu Panda.
I promise you. I'm in the movie.
My general knowledge is better than you, Papa.
Oh, seriously? You have really good general knowledge?
Yes, Papa.
Okay, fine. Let's test your general knowledge then. You're a small kid, so I'll ask a very simple question to you. Just answer the question.
Okay,
You
Papa.
know the bird crow?
Crow.
Yeah.
I know.
Very good. So tell me the 5 body features of a crow.
Okay, Papa.
Very good.
Mama, you also listen.
Yeah.
Papa, you also listen. All of you listen. Crow has a beak, Papa.
Very
Beak,
good.
beak, you know.
Sabash.
Then number two, crow has eyes, Papa. Eyes.
Very good.
You know eyes.
Yeah. I
Number 3, crow has legs, Papa. Legs.
okay. It is there. I can
Then number 4, crow has a tail, Papa.
Very good, beta. Number 4, tail. Yeah.
Then number 5, under the tail there is a small. Shall I tell it, Papa? There is a very small.
Stop him.
Rima,
There
you
is
go
a
inside.
very
No,
small.
you are sitting. No.
There is a
No,
very
no,
small
no.
feather, Papa. Feather. Papa, what were you thinking? Papa, you twisted my ears, na, Papa.
Then what?
You made me cry, na, Papa. I will speak up. I will speak up. I will speak up,
Not
Papa.
speak up. HRs are sitting here. No.
No, I will speak up.
Pablo, no.
Speak up,
No.
Zindabad, Papa. Zindabad. Speak up, Zindabad.
Pablo, let's settle this, okay? I'll approve all your expenses.
No,
for
I
this
will
summer.
speak up then. I will speak
Still
up.
speak up.
Yeah.
Fine, 10% hike in your monthly pocket money. Okay.
Okay, Papa. Love.
Yeah. Go, Bill.
Here's your juice, Subhash.
Thank you. Yellow bhaiya Sodexo.
What? So next up, here?
Ignore it, yeah. For a moment I thought I'm in cafeteria. Ignore it.
For service sake, for God's sake, Subhash, this is your home, not your cafeteria.
Sometimes defects do happen, yeah. Ignore it.
Okay, let's leave it. You know what, Subhash? I had a very nice dream last night. I wish it come true.
Is it so?
Yes.
I hope it won't become a nightmare for me.
Subhash,
Okay. Tell me what's the dream.
in my dream I saw you were buying a diamond ring for me.
Diamond ring.
Yes.
You know what? In the same dream, I saw your dad paying the bill for it.
You always do like that. I'm not talking to you. Dr. Beta? Dr. Beta?
Yes, Mama. Yes, Mama.
Your teacher called me yesterday and she asked me that you are late to the school. Why is that so?
Because of the signboard, Mama.
Which signboard, Beta?
The same signboard which says school ahead goes slow. School ahead goes slow.
Blue. See, this is what you do always.
Okay, Mama, I have a doubt, Mama.
Okay?
Why are computers so smart?
That's because they follow their motherboards.
Oh.
Yes.
Papa, I have a question for you as well, Papa.
What is it, beta?
Have you ever been to Egypt before?
No, Egypt I haven't been, beta. Why are you asking this?
Then where did you get this mummy?
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you for coming. We desperately wanted some.
Good evening, sir.
Pablo, he is your favorite time pass, favorite tuition teacher. So have some fun, sir. All the best. Hopefully we can see you again. Come in.
No, it's your requirement. You come. Okay, sir.
How's your studies going?
It's going fine, sir.
And how's your homework and all that? Are you doing well?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
Now, Pablo, today we will just test your knowledge.
Okay.
Okay? I'll ask you a few simple questions. You gotta answer them.
Okay, sir.
I have 5 bottles in one hand, 6 bottles in the other hand.
You have 5 bottles in one hand,
Yeah.
6 bottles in the other.
Right.
Okay, ask.
What do I have?
You have a serious drinking problem.
I have 5 oranges in one hand,
Okay.
6 oranges in the other hand.
Okay.
Now what do I have?
I would rather say your hands are big, sir.
Why don't you leave mathematics?
Okay.
Leave mathematics.
Okay,
You know goat?
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
I know.
Yes. Tell 3 uses of goat. You can do that.
3 uses of goat.
Yeah.
First,
Yeah.
goat gives us milk.
Very good. Next one.
Second,
Yeah.
goat's mother gives us milk. Third, goat's grandmother gives us milk. 3 uses of goat. Ta-da!
Why can't we do it properly?
We are doing it properly, sir.
Let's get to English.
Okay, sir.
You know English vocabulary.
English?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, sir.
If you want to increase your vocabulary, all you need to do is tell a word for 3 times, maybe 10 times, and the word is yours. Like,
Is it so?
yeah.
Are you not lying?
Why will I lie?
Promise?
Promise.
Mother promise?
Mother promise.
Pinky, 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 pinky.
Who's thinking of it?
Pinky is my girlfriend, sir, and you told me now if you repeat it for 10 times, she'll be for yours forever. I didn't see her. You are a liar, sir, cheater, sir. You go.
Doctor, I was talking about vocabulary. Why don't you leave everything?
Okay.
Simple question. Please do it. Last question.
Okay.
You know the word coincidence?
Coincidence, I know.
This one you know, right?
Yes.
Make a sentence with the word coincidence. You can do it. Come on. Make a sentence with the word
Sir, you
coincidence.
know, my father and my mother got married on the same day. What a coincidence, sir.
I'm done.
Okay.
This is not how it can go on. Okay? Why don't you study properly? Why can't you study properly and listen to me?
Sir, come. Come in.
I go there.
If I do everything properly,
Yeah.
then what is the point you being here and teaching me?
At last! Tell your dad that your new teacher, I'm done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, bye-bye.
Pablo, where's your tuition teacher? I can't see him.
Hey, sir, he ran away.
Again.
You're such a naughty kid. Not even a single teacher stays for more than a day.
What shall I do then?
Can't you study properly? What is this, Pablo?
No.
What do you mean by saying no? Pablo, you
Mommy,
don't-
Papa, enough is enough. You know it's my birthday today. And you are arranging a tuition teacher for me.
What?
Huh?
Pablo, how can
See,
you forget
you
your
do
birthday?
not know unless and until I ask you to do so that it is my birthday. Where is the cake? Where is the party? Where are the gifts?
I'm there. See, all this for your birthday, okay?
Ah,
Here's your birthday cake. Ta-da!
Happy birthday.
this is a pun. Are you fooling me?
Cost cutting है यार. Finance people है. They don't approve all these expenses. Adjust कर लेना.
Enough is enough, Papa. Enough of this adjust. You do not do anything for me. And you do not cook for me at late in the night. What shall I do now? Arey, have you checked your impulse report? Have you checked your impulse report? You hardly say something back into your home.
Bandu beta, don't talk about my cooking. I'm level 3 IBM certified chef, you see? How can you ask me about the cooking when you nearly waste almost 30 kgs of the food for a month? You know, this can be fed to 10 more kids.
I'm sure you have done this certification with dumps from internet.
Subhash,
Hey, Pablo, is this the way you talk to your supervisor? I mean, your mother? No, Pablo, see, after our marriage, it took 3 years of development and then 9 months of UAT. Only then you were released into production. And now you are logging defects against your parents. Is this fair? Pablo, you know, each one of us have lots of love for our loved ones. But just because of work pressure, we are not able to get some time for our loved ones. It doesn't mean that we don't love them. We love them a lot. After all, we are working for the better future of our kids. Please try to understand that, Pablo. please.
Sorry, Papa. Sorry, Mama.
Okay. Leave all this. Let's go to a good restaurant and celebrate your birthday.
Hey,
Okay.
Papa,
Huh?
can you call my girlfriend Pinky?
Pinky, your girlfriend. Papa, no.
Can I have one more big round of applause for our education? Thank you.